Hello and welcome Nowans. In this video, we will be looking at how we can view and modify our app from inside Nowa. To be able to do that, we need to open the page we desire to modify in its own view, as in opening the file we want to make changes on. To do that, we will start by clicking on the Open New File button besides the page name. So for our example, if we go beside Home page and click on it, we can find Open New File. So let's click it. This will open the file that we actually want to view in its own window. And then right in the lower left corner, we can see the code button, which we can click on. This will allow the page to turn into code view. Now we can modify the code base as we please, then compile it, and it will reflect automatically inside Nowa's app. So in this example, we will be modifying the icon size in the QR code reader. So let's take it from 200 to 300, press compile, and it has compiled for us our application. As you can see, the image here became larger. We can also view any file we want. If we go to the left toolbar and press on the files icon, it will expand and show us all our files and boards and assets. And within our files, we can see all our pages. So for example, we can see the QR generator page. And if we go to the bottom left side, we can also see the code button, click on it, and we can open it in code view. Furthermore, if you're not satisfied with the Nowa's in-app editor, you can open your code using VS Code by pressing on the Open in VS Code button, which will open the Flutter project inside VS Code. Or you can go to the top right toolbar and press the code button and then choose Open in VS Code to open the project in VS Code. This is it for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon.